How we doing?
Doing really well. First time in a hybrid Avalon replacement.
Yeah. And honestly, this is one of the first ones. You're sitting in one of the pre-production cars. So this is like, it's one of the first. So yeah, it's got all the bells and whistles you want. You know, heated, cooled seats, 11-speaker JBL sound system. You got the navigation. You got some fun new cameras. So the traditional and then the bird's eye view. So if you're having a hard time with tight spaces.
Range Rover is another example for this.
Yeah, I've been having for like the tight spot, and you know, it starts in the off-road world. We're trying to figure out where to put tires, but turns out it works pretty good every day. And then this is the Platinum. So this has the turbocharged version. So it bumps this thing up to 340 horsepower. So when you put your foot down, it feels like that. And then it stops pretty good too. When you're not driving like that, then it's just, yeah, what you said, replacing the Avalon. So it's comfy, it's quiet, you know, this thing cruises. You got tons of room in the back, even New York City potholes. This thing runs fine. It's got the TSS 3.0, so if you forget about that wall coming, it will save you. It'll brake for you, and it works forwards, it works in reverse. You can kind of see how many sensors and cameras are working now. But the best part about the system, obviously, yeah, not crashing a new car is cool. But what I like about it's fairly unintrusive. So it'll let you still get close to stuff, just drive, and it won't just jam on the brakes. It really knows the difference between crashing and just having some fun with your car. The all-wheel drive system got reworked. So whether it's snow or ice or freight rollers, it's not struggling for grip. It's not trying to figure out which motor to, it just drives. It's just fluid, it's seamless. So whether conditions are slippery or just you've got some space, you're late to work, this car just moves like a car should. Yeah, so first year back in the US, but I think they did a nice job with this thing. Any questions for me?
No.
Allo,